LinkedIn posting really works. Posting on LinkedIn every single day is one of the best ways to get clients. If you're a freelancer, B2B SaaS founder, like a small business owner, posting on LinkedIn is really worth it. It might sound completely like a waste of time. For a long time, I completely refused to do this. I was just totally ignoring it. And then I started 2 months ago, and here's an update video, because I've got a couple other videos which I've been showing my journey. And here's an update video with what I've learned. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe and hit the bell button. I'm bringing out these update videos all the time. And this channel is all about how to get clients if you're a freelancer, consultant, small business owner, or a founder. So this is all about how to get clients. So you talk about a lot about cold email and other stuff as well. But posting, LinkedIn posting, organic posting works super, super well. So let's jump in. So firstly, let's look at some stats. When I started posting a while ago, this was September 6th, I had a bit of a really sharp incline. It was really good. Then it went down. Got a bit worried. Then I had another even higher high here. And then recently again, I had a really low. But then again, now I've got a higher high. I had 257. So in the past, 90 days, I've had 1,520 profile views. And the reason why that's really important is because if you go to LinkedIn and you basically want people to look at your profile as much as possible. If you go here and you look at my profile is like a landing page. So this is one of the things I'm telling people they need to do. They need to make sure this banner is like the headline on a landing page. You can have a video here because people are and you put your website there, because what happens is people see your post, they click on it, and then they follow you, but they'll come to your this landing page or your basic page here. You need to make sure all is really clear. To try to sell one thing. You're not trying to write millions of stuff here. I'll make a video soon about how to make this page really good. But what happens, they go to your website, they click here and they go to your website. So suddenly they're going to the website and they're clicking on these buttons to speak to me, or they're just personally DMing me. So you want people to look at your profile. And I've had a lot of people looking at my profile over the past couple of months, over the past 90 days. It's been really good. Suddenly 257 over the past just week. I've had a bunch of really good posts, but here are the learnings from my post. I'm going to go into this right now. LinkedIn doc ads really, really work well. I've just done one so far, but it just went completely nuts. To hit 6,400 impressions. For me, that's really good. And I had 71 people like it or engage with it, 28 comments, and 6 people reposted it. This is a really important. I did my post on a topic which I know a lot of people ask. So if you have a topic which you're getting asked all the time, make a document ad about that. You don't even know how many people are probably screenshotting it and shoving it into Slack groups or sending it to their marketing manager, whatever it is. It's really cool. Like if you look here, the people looking at my looking at my stuff, it's like growth marketers, global social media manager, digital marketing specialist, head of demand gen. These are the exact people who can be hiring me and paying me the amount I need. So first lesson is do document ads. At the moment, the distribution on document organic posts is really big. So do document posts. They're a bit of effort, but they're well worth it. The second lesson is video works really well still. Do video posts, organic posts. The distribution again on the video is really good. But not only that, they're literally, when people see you, and some of them are actually clicking the sound on, most are not. Make sure you have your subtitles on this. But most people will see you, read what you've written up here, and then also see what you're doing here. They're going to engage with you more. They're going to feel more personable to you. They're going to know you more. So they're going to want to reach out to you. This is why my YouTube works so well, because people see me on YouTube, then schedule a phone call with me. They already feel like they know me. The conversion rates are way easier once they want to work with me, because I don't have to prove anything. The trust is already there. Video is a great way to do that. And video on LinkedIn is awesome. If you can be doing these video posts, basically write what you need to write here and then just communicate it in video. Again, so you just write it and communicate it. And this one did really, really well. So one of my best posts this week, or for the month pretty much, was this one here, and got 9,855 impressions, just one post, which is insane. 35 comments, 69 engagements. It did really, really, really well. And basically it's on a topic that I've already written about, and each time I write about this topic, it blows up. And my formula here is very simple. I write about LinkedIn ads are not expensive. So everyone believes LinkedIn ads are really expensive. They've been saying that for years. I'm now saying they're not expensive. It's a contrarian view. And then I show why, and I show my results. So this one, for example, just got really ridiculously low cost per click and a really high click-through rate. So that is basically Facebook cost per clicks, which is awesome. So I'm basically saying LinkedIn ads are not expensive. Look at my results. They're actually quite affordable. I've done this kind of post very similarly in the past few months. And every time I do this very similar thing, it gets the same results, which is just huge distribution, loads of engagement. So I know it works. The lesson here is don't shy away from what works. If you've seen something works in the past, don't overdo it, of course, but maybe once a week or once every 2 weeks, communicate the same point just in a different way, because you know it works. And I've done this maybe 4 times, and every time I do it, the distribution goes wild, people engage with it, and it does really, really well. So don't shy away from what works. Just because you've said something once, don't think that people have actually, you know, follow you that closely that they care. Just re-say it. You're going to have to re-say the same thing over and over again. And the longer you do this, the more your post will be unoriginal. But that's okay. You can have a wider spectrum of topics, and I'm going to make a video on topic buckets at some point. So definitely subscribe, hit the bell button. But reuse what works and just re-communicate it in different ways. So right now I'm trying to put all this information to a free course. I'm going to link it in the description below. It's not going to be there for a while, but if this gets picked up on the, you know, algorithm, and this video is still distributed a few months down the line or a few weeks down the line, sign up to the free LinkedIn course that I'm going to be putting all my learnings in a really nice way. It's just a quick 5-day email course delivered to you via email with video. It's going to be awesome. So sign up. It's going to be totally free.